Hello friends, I welcome you all in my kitchen at Healthy Kadhai. In our today's video, we'll be making instant mini idlis using brown bread slices. Isn't that interesting? As a mom, we always look for recipes which are simple, quick to make, as well as those recipes should be healthy as well. So this recipe is perfect for you. So let's quickly see how to make this recipe. I'm sure you are liking our recipes. Please do subscribe to Healthy Kadhai if you have not subscribed till now, and click on the bell icon so that you get regular updates of our new recipes. Firstly, we'll take bread slices and we'll roughly break it into small pieces. We'll even use these brown edges. Do not remove it. You can even use white bread if you wish. Now we'll coarsely grind these bread slices. Grinding is done. Let's prepare batter for our idlis. Add semolina or suji. Then add 1 cup of curd, 1 teaspoon of salt, and we need to mix everything nicely. We have added water because we need to prepare idli batter. Once your batter is ready, we'll allow it to rest at least for 15 minutes. It's been 15 minutes. Now we'll add ENO or fruit salt. If you do not have ENO, then you can even use half a teaspoon of cooking soda. The batter will immediately bubble up. This is for instant fermentation. Now we'll take our greased idli molds and we'll fill it up with our idli batter. I'm preparing these mini idlis. You can even prepare those big idlis. I've filled up all the idli molds and now it is ready to go in steamer. We'll steam our idlis for 10 minutes on high flame, then on 5 minutes on low flame. My idlis are done. We'll cool it down completely and then you will be easily able to remove it from the mold. Let's prepare the tempering for our idlis. Heat 1 to 2 teaspoons of mustard oil in a pan. Once heated, add mustard seeds. Then add onions. We'll saute onions on medium flame. Add few capsicum. You can add any other vegetable of your choice. One can also add green chilies, but I am making these idlis for kids, so I am avoiding green chilies. However, you can even add carrots, cabbage, tomatoes. After that, we'll add few curry leaves. Curry leaves really give very nice flavor to idlis. Then add in our prepared mini bread idlis. We'll toss it gently. To add to the color, I am adding tomato ketchup. Kids usually love tomato ketchup. Instead of tomato ketchup, you can even add tomato puree. Just toss it well. Just look at this. Aren't my idlis looking too tempting? We'll keep it on medium to high flame for 1 to 2 minutes. That's about it. We'll switch off the flame. We'll serve these idlis. You can serve these idlis as a breakfast recipe or even as a snack recipe. I'm sure your kids will really like it. This is a very healthy alternative to any other street food. Here is my plate of very healthy bread idli ready to serve. If you liked our video, please do share our videos with your friends and family and subscribe to Healthy Kadhai for more such interesting recipes. Until our next video, happy cooking and stay healthy.